Thank you all for coming today. We're very excited about today. This is a great day for Pardee Hospital. It's a great day for Henderson County, Western North Carolina. So this is truly light at the end of the tunnel, and we're very, very excited, very proud. Thank you all for being here.
This room means two things for us. It's relief and hope. So relief for me personally, being on the front lines, testing patients, that I have some protection and I'm not going to take COVID home and infect my loved one. And hope for our community. We have been working with COVID-19 for 11 months now, and it has been a very difficult 11 months. It feels like we're fighting a battle with one arm tied behind our back, and now with a vaccine, we have a true weapon to use against this illness.
Although we were one of the first folks to receive the vaccine, communities and all the hospitals will have access to it shortly. So we're just really grateful to have good options for preventing the infection and so it's a big relief and a great opportunity for healthcare workers, and we're just very grateful because it'll be well down the road, several months, before the number of folks who receive the vaccine is great enough to have a big impact on case transmission in the community. One of the best things that we can do to continue to limit the number of infections is to continue to wear masks, keep proper spacing, and wash their hands.
It's been about 10 or 20 minutes since you had your shot. Do we have any arm tingling?
No, actually I'm totally fine. This has gone better for me than the flu shot has in the past.